If you're looking for a good meatball recipe, then look no further. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best homemade meatballs. So after you watch this short video, I want you to check the description box and screenshot my recipe so you can try it. First, you need to saute your diced onions in a small amount of oil, and you're going to do this on medium-high heat for about a minute. You may sprinkle a little salt on top of the onions. This will help to draw out the flavors. After a minute has passed, I want you to add your minced garlic and cook for an additional 45 seconds. Then turn the heat off, remove the onions and garlic from the skillet, and let it cool off. You're going to mix your seasonings together and then add them to the ground beef like this. Oh, and this is salt, pepper, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and crushed red pepper flakes. In case you're wondering, like, well, what seasonings are these? That's what they are. Now you're going to add your Italian seasoned breadcrumbs in there. Next, you're going to add the milk, then add your freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and now mix everything together really good. So once your onions and garlic have cooled down, you can add that to the meat mixture as well. And then last, you will add in a lightly beaten egg and make sure everything is just mixed together really, really good. I'm using an ice cream scooper, and I'm just going to scoop out the meat and form it into a ball. I was able to make about 15 meatballs total. Okay, so when you are forming your meatballs, make sure your hands are wet. This will help to prevent the meat from sticking to your hands. So that's just a little quick tip. All right. Now you're going to add all of the meatballs into a skillet, and you're going to sear on all sides. When I made my meatballs, I did add a small amount of oil into the skillet, and I cooked them on medium-high heat. Okay, and after they were nicely seared all over, I took them out. I used some paper towels to remove all of the grease from the skillet. So when you make yours, just make sure you do the same thing. Get all of that grease out, because you don't want that, you know, mixing in with the sauce. It just doesn't look good. Okay, so get all of that grease out. And as you can see, I've added all of the meatballs back to the skillet because they are not fully cooked, of course. Pour some marinara sauce all over the meatballs, and I also added some fresh parsley as well as some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Cover the skillet, and from here I'm just going to let the meatballs simmer on medium low heat until they are cooked all the way through. And this is what they look like after simmering for about maybe about 20 to 30 minutes. And y'all, these were so delicious. They were absolutely amazing. Okay, I hope that you will give it a try. If you do, please let me know how yours turn out. As always, I thank you so much for your support. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one.